Do you want to create your avatar on WhatsApp from your iPhone? Hey there! In this video, I'll teach you how to make and customize your WhatsApp avatar on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. First, let's create your avatar. Open WhatsApp, tap Setting, tap Avatar, tap Create Your Avatar. Now first, choose your skin color. Tap Next. Now, here you need to set your outfit like your hairstyle, clothing, body, eyes, and all the other material. Once you're done, tap Done. Tap Save Change. Tap Next. Now, here is the avatar. Now you set this as your profile picture for your WhatsApp. So guys, this is how you can create or customize your avatar on your WhatsApp. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.